Good afternoon and welcome to another Paddocks Club video tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the fact that the Estate Agency Affairs Board has been put under administration. This fact was drawn to our attention in the discussion forum by Mike Power, who asked the question, has the EAAB been dissolved? There are rumours abound. Well, the EAAB is a public entity. It's established under the Estate Agency Affairs Act, and it's designed to regulate and control estate agents. The estate agency function was many years ago extended by way of regulation so as to include the collection of levies from sectional title and share block schemes. So the board exists to control the estate agent's fidelity fund, and most significantly, the EAAB has been transferred from under the jurisdiction of the Department of Trade and Industry, where it was established and created and looked after for years, to the Department of Human Settlements. Now, the Minister of Human Settlements, the Honourable Tokyo Sekwale, has said that he has been aware of problems at the EAAB, including alleged corruption, abuse of funds, maladministration and embezzlement, according to news reports. He has said, I am compelled, in the interests of bringing certainty and order, to put it under administration. He called for the Special Investigating Unit to probe wrongdoing in the affairs of the Estate Agency Affairs Board and to lay criminal charges if necessary. So it sounds as if he has good reason to suspect that there has been some bad business going on. He's also decided that the unit must get involved heavily, bring a strong broom, in his words, to clean up this mess. At the same time, they'll be having a good look, conducting a due diligence into the EAAB to understand what his department is inheriting from the DTI. So what is the implication for managing agents? Well, the EAAB is still the only government body that regulates them. It may be under the Department of Human Settlements rather than the DTI, and that may be a very good thing. It only regulates their levy collection activities for sectional title and share block schemes, not homeowners associations or any other form. The EAA Act deals only with selling and leasing property, not with managing schemes. So it's a bit of a compromise. The managing agents were brought under the operation of this Act, and their consumers were brought under the protection of the Fidelity Fund because it was the most appropriate vehicle, but not an exactly appropriate one. The Code of Conduct under the EAAA doesn't, for example, deal with managing agency activities at all. So what can and should managing agents do in this situation? Well, my first suggestion is that if you have formulated ideas other than get your house in order, make sure that Fidelity Fund certificates are sent out on time and that sort of thing, but if you have any other ideas, you should tell the Minister. Get his address, get his email address. It's all on the web. EAAB.org.za is their thing, but the Department of Human Settlements has its own site, which is what, if you want to write to the Minister, where you should write, and tell him what you want. Do you want managing agents to be recognised as a separate class of estate agents? Do you want representation on the board of the EAAB so that somebody there understands your industry? Whatever it is that you want, tell the Minister. It's not hard to do. If one person puts in something, well, it could be seen as one person's view. But if 20 or 40 different people all have views that seem much the same, I've no doubt that the Minister, in this process of taking over the EAAB, will take those views into account. Thank you very much for your time, and we can discuss this further in the discussion forum.